Hi everyone, welcome basic web template part 1. Today I will discuss what is HTML. Actually HTML, that means hypertext markup language. If I create now I create HTML. Sorry, now I reopen it. Sublime text. So now we could see this is HTML. Okay, h1 HMI first web site. This is h1 in this way. Two, 3, 3. I copy, four, 5, 6, up to 6. Okay, this is heading tag. Now I declare p tag name 20. This is p tag. You will sorry, start 3. This is eval, this is li, this is anchor element. That means this is hyper reference. You can code home, sorry, blog service. Again I can declare order list. Mango. This is an order list. Now if I go browsing, don't forget share, Google Chrome. You see this is heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. This paragraph tag and order list order list. Order list, that's meant 1 2 3 in this way. Okay, so many tag will be included in this HTML page. For beginner, if you learn HTML, you have to know basic tag such as article, this is tag, nav, section, and many others tag. You can search Google, type HTML tag, after then search, so you will follow many HTML related tag. Understand? Now we shall discuss basic web template. If I go, this is basics web template. It will be made, and I will discuss to take about this template. Okay, next video I will discuss this template fully. This is now at this moment you can inform primary conception. This is header, this is menu, but this is header top, this is extra area, and out from main area, this is up to bottom. Okay, I will discuss next tutorial. Thank you. Happy good coding.